The Amalfi Coast, with its spectacular beauty and rich history, is truly a place like no other. This world-famous stretch of coastline, nestled in the southern part of Italy, is a tapestry of jagged cliffs, golden beaches, and small towns that seem to have been frozen in time. The picturesque towns of Positano, Amalfi, Ravello, and Sorrento are the beating heart of this coastline, drawing thousands of visitors each year with their sun-drenched streets and scenic views. Yet, despite its popularity, there are parts of the Amalfi Coast that still feel untouched, where the rhythm of life remains slow and steady, as it has been for centuries. When you first arrive on the Amalfi Coast, one of the most striking features is the way the villages cascade down from the cliffs to meet the sea. The vibrant colors of the buildings, peach, pink, and terracotta, blend harmoniously with the lush green hillsides and the bright blue waters below. It's a sight that's almost too beautiful to be real, as though the land and sea have been carefully designed by a master artist. The natural landscape here is as varied as it is stunning, with towering cliffs on one side and pristine beaches on the other. Positano is one of the first towns you'll encounter along the coast, and it's nothing short of enchanting. As you approach by boat or car, the town rises before you like a cascade of colorful buildings stacked one atop the other, creating a vibrant and dynamic skyline. In Positano, life moves slowly. Stroll through its narrow streets, lined with boutiques selling locally made sandals, intricate ceramics, and linen clothing. The scent of fresh bread from bakeries mingles with the salty air from the sea. The town's charm is impossible to resist, with its steep hillsides, winding roads, and the constant hum of the Mediterranean breeze. Further down the coast is Amalfi, a town steeped in history. Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi's legacy can still be felt today in the grand cathedral that dominates its central square. The cathedral, with its striking facade of mosaics, is a testament to the town's former glory, while its bell tower provides a panoramic view of the surrounding area. Amalfi is also home to one of Italy's oldest paper mills, where artisans still craft paper in the traditional way. Wander through the winding streets and discover shops selling handcrafted paper products, a centuries-old craft that still thrives today. As you continue your journey, you'll arrive in Ravello, perched high above the coast. Known for its spectacular gardens and panoramic views, Ravello is a peaceful retreat for those seeking tranquility away from the crowds. The town has long been a haven for artists, musicians, and writers, and its charm lies in its relaxed pace and the breathtaking vistas that unfold at every turn. The gardens of Villa Simbrone and Villa Ruffolo are among the most famous in Italy, and a visit to these verdant spaces is a must. Here, the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers, and the views of the coastline below are simply awe-inspiring. One of the most iconic aspects of the Amalfi Coast is its lemon groves. The lemons here are unlike any other, grown in the volcanic soil of the region, which imparts a unique flavor to the fruit. The Sfusato Amalfitano lemon, with its large, fragrant rind, is a symbol of the area and is used in everything from limoncello to pastries. During the summer months, the scent of citrus fills the air, and the sight of lemon trees laden with fruit is a common one. These lemons are a key ingredient in the cuisine of the Amalfi Coast, lending their bright, zesty flavor to everything from pasta dishes to refreshing drinks. Beyond the bustling towns and scenic vistas, the Amalfi Coast is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy. From the black sand beaches of Positano to the hidden coves accessible only by boat, there's no shortage of places to relax and soak up the sun. The crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean invite visitors to swim, snorkel, or simply relax by the shore. One of the most famous beaches is Spiaggia Grande in Positano, where you can lounge on the sand with a cocktail in hand, watching the boats sail by and the cliffs rise in the distance. For a more secluded experience, you can take a boat to one of the hidden beaches, such as the Cove near Lee Galley, an island off the coast that's known for its pristine beauty. But the Amalfi Coast is not just about its towns and beaches, it's also a place of natural beauty and outdoor adventure. One of the best ways to explore the region is by hiking, and the Sentiero degli Dei, or Path of the Gods, is the most famous trail. This hike, which winds along the cliffs high above the sea, offers unparalleled views of the coastline. The trail, which is about 6 kilometers long, takes you through ancient terraced fields, olive groves, and small villages. Along the way, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean below, with the islands of Capri and Ischia visible on the horizon. For those who enjoy a slower pace, the Amalfi Coast also offers plenty of opportunities for relaxation. You can take a leisurely boat ride along the coast, stopping to swim in the crystal-clear waters, or enjoy a meal at one of the many restaurants that overlook the sea. The region is known for its seafood, with fresh catches arriving daily at the local markets. Don't miss the chance to try dishes like spaghetti alle vongole, spaghetti with clams, frittura di pesce, fried fish, and of course, limoncello, the region's signature liqueur made from local lemons. As the day draws to a close, the Amalfi Coast reveals another layer of its magic. The sun sets. The sun dips slowly into the sea, casting a golden glow over the cliffs and the water. The sky turns shades of pink, orange, and purple, and the towns along the coast glow in the fading light. Whether you're sitting at a cafe in Positano, watching the sunset from the gardens of Ravello, or enjoying a quiet moment on a secluded beach, there's something truly special about watching the day come to an end on the Amalfi Coast. If you visit in the summer, you'll find that the Amalfi Coast is alive with festivals and cultural events. The Ravello Festival, held each summer, is a celebration of music, dance, and art, with performances in the beautiful Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbrone gardens. There are also numerous local festivals celebrating the region's traditions, from the Festa di Santa Maria in Amalfi to the Sagra del Limone in Maiori, where you can taste local delicacies and experience the vibrant atmosphere of the coast. For those seeking a deeper connection to the culture and history of the region, a visit to the Pompeii ruins is a must. Located just a short drive from the Amalfi Coast, Pompeii is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. The ancient Roman city was destroyed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD and buried under layers of ash and pumice. Today, the ruins offer a fascinating glimpse into life in ancient Rome, with well-preserved houses, temples, and streets. The Amalfi Coast is also an excellent base for exploring the nearby islands of Capri, Ischia, and Procida. A short boat ride from the coast will take you to the island of Capri, known for its rugged cliffs, the famous Blue Grotto, and luxury boutiques. Ischia, on the other hand, is famous for its thermal springs and lush landscapes, making it a great place for relaxation and wellness. Procida, the smallest of the three, is a charming island with colorful houses and a laid-back atmosphere, perfect for a peaceful escape. Whether you're here for the natural beauty, the rich history, or the delectable food and wine, the Amalfi Coast offers something for everyone. It's a place that invites you to slow down, take in the sights and sounds, and savor every moment. From the sun-kissed cliffs to the tranquil villages, the Amalfi Coast is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to feel, to breathe. So next time you're dreaming of a Mediterranean getaway, let the Amalfi Coast be the place that calls to you.